Get ready for a brownie revelation. I embarked on a quest to find the ultimate brownie mix, and the results might just surprise you. I tested a range of mixes, from well-known brands to budget options, and discovered a hidden gem that will make you question everything you thought you knew about store-bought treats. The $1.47 brownie mix that's a total game changer. Imagine my delight when I stumbled upon Great Value Fudge Brownies, a Walmart house brand. Priced at just $1.47. This unassuming mix packs a punch with its complex chocolate flavor, perfect texture, and that coveted shiny top. It's a true unicorn in the world of convenience baking. But here's where it gets controversial. The cult favorite, Trader Joe's Brownie Truffle Baking Mix, with a price tag of $3.99, has a dedicated following. Its intense, rich chocolate flavor, thanks to Dutch cocoa, is not for the faint-hearted. Some love its boldness, while others reach for a glass of milk. It's a true divider of opinions. The reliable classic, Duncan Hines Chewy Fudge. This mix is like an old friend, always there when you need a dependable treat. With its signature tissue paper-like top, it evokes childhood birthday memories. It's a safe choice, but never boring. The secret to homemade tasting brownies. After 2 weeks of intense testing, I learned that the difference between from a box and from scratch often lies in technique. Here are some pro tips. Swap. Replace vegetable oil with melted butter for added richness. Coffee connection. Add instant espresso powder for a deeper chocolate flavor. Extra yolk trick. Include an extra egg yolk for a fudgy texture. Buttermilk move. Use buttermilk or oat milk with lemon juice for a brighter, richer taste. Underbake principle. Bake for 2 minutes less than the recommended time for a perfect texture. The vegan twist. Surprisingly, some of the best brownies I made were vegan. Duncan Hines mixes often don't contain dairy or eggs, and with a little aquafaba magic, you can create delicious, shiny brownies. The flax egg trick also works wonders, especially with the Trader Joe's mix. The underperformers, Ghirardelli Chocolate Supreme, with its fancy packaging, left me underwhelmed. Betty Crocker and Pillsbury also failed to impress, with testers describing them as fine at best. The takeaway. My brownie investigation taught me that we often judge mixes based on brand reputation rather than taste. The Great Value mix, for instance, outperforms many pricier options. The real secret to homemade tasting brownies is in the technique. With a few simple tweaks, any decent mix can be transformed. So, embrace the joy of baking and don't overthink it. The best brownie is the one you make with love and share with those who appreciate the chocolatey goodness, regardless of its origins. Happy baking, and may your brownies always be a hit.